Good morning, guys. It is 4th December, Thursday, and it is 7 a.m. And you can check the weather. It seems like it will be raining today, a little bit. And I am having my apple. And now I'm planning to go to gym, so I'm ready. Yeah, hi. Good morning.
Yeah, hi, morning.
So I have joined this gym. So this is my first day.
Oh, good. Welcome to gym.
Yeah,
My name is Akshay Kumar. I'm a trainer here.
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, I'll teach you for everything. What you do?
Yeah,
what
I'm
you
just
not do.
I'm just beginner.
Oh, it's good. Well,
Yeah.
today onwards, right? You're
Today
starting.
onwards.
Good. I'll teach you everything.
Okay. So thank you. So what are we will be doing today here in gym?
Today we'll make the first
Chest.
and back. This it will call the first circuit.
For
Circuit.
circuit.
Yeah, circuit means the whole one setups. For
Okay.
chest one setup and back one setup. For triceps one setup, biceps one setup, and legs also getting one setups.
Okay.
This called
Mix
the
we
circuit.
will do.
Yeah, mix.
Today we will doing mix.
Yes. Today first day, right? Don't make the more workouts. Just you need, otherwise tomorrow you get the pains.
Light exercises.
Light only. So begin. The first steps up. You come.
Okay. So
You
let's
start.
go. So what is the first exercise we will be telling?
You want to make the body freeness.
Yes.
First you want to take the for body freeness. Then you starting the first cardio wise.
First warm up is required.
Yes, warm up is required. Because of what happen now, when you not make the warm up, direct you enter the gym, the body is not freeness. So what happen? The injuries will happen.
So which are the exercises for which we can do as a warm up?
I'll teach you.
Okay. So which is the first warm up exercise?
The first warm up, the hand rotate, the reverse rotate, the shoulder freeness, then the hip rotates.
Hand rotates?
Yes.
Okay.
No, basics only. They
Hip
have-
rotate.
Yes,
Hip
yes.
rotation.
Yes. After just you can make the only 3-3-4-4-4 because of the body freeness only. Then you can starting the workout, right?
Okay.
I'll give the basics only.
Okay.
Yep. That's it. Relax.
Okay.
Yeah.
What
Want
is
to
the first
study?
exercise?
Yeah, this is the first exercise. Every morning when you enter the gym, you want to make this is compulsory.
Compulsory.
Because you want to body freeness, right? Let me go back. First you want to hand.
Hand
back.
up. Arms rotation.
Yes. Arms. Shoulder and the arms also you're getting your rotate.
Yes.
Make it reversed. This is first shoulder, the arms, this one, triceps only getting. Okay? And make it sides.
Stretching.
Yeah. Change the hands. Good. And the upper. How much possible, make it full. Yes. Change hand. Good.
Okay.
Yes. Then hip. You want to rotate the hip.
Hip rotation.
Yes. Full rotate. Yes. Good. And the hands. This one we can to rotate full. This is for here. You get the more effect.
Yeah.
The front, back. And you want to hold your fingers. Pull the back.
Right.
Come on. How much possible? Make it tight. Good. This one also. Same thing. Yes.
Okay.
Now the legs. Leg change.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes. Yeah. Reverse.
Okay.
Good. You want to make the knees also.
Like
Close
this.
the legs. Little bit close the legs. Yeah. Now you can make this slowly.
Like
It's
this.
good for knees here. You have any pains or strengthening also getting more.
Like this only. We have.
Yes. And little bit front, back.
That's it.
Yes. You want to wide the legs, bend, swing. This one for your back, that side fatty hair, right? This for good for this. Yes. Good. Enough. These are basics warm-ups.
Okay.
Then you can start the workout.
Okay.
Yes, good. Yeah. This is called the for chest machine.
Chest machine. Okay.
Yeah, you want to sleep? Okay, I'll show you. This is a hanger. You want to sit? Then you can bend. You can first only you can adjust your weights. Okay, you want to hold here. Slowly you want to make the hub. When you're making hub, you're getting to here pains. You want to pump the chest. Okay, make it slowly down. One. See, you can see my chest also. The vibrating is going. When you're making down, the chest will expand here. When you're making pull up, right, the pumping here, lower it will get. Okay. Yeah. Now you.
Okay, let me try it.
Yeah, good. Go and try one time.
First, I will start with lesser weight.
Yes.
Like my hands are like this.
Yeah, good. Slowly. Good.
This is the right way I am doing.
Yes, yes, yes. You're getting feel right for chest.
Yeah, stretching is there.
Good, good, good. Make it 50 into 3.
15.
15 counting, 3
Okay.
setups.
Okay.
You want to make the little bit down? Go down, go down, good. Yes, now you can up.
Till here I have to come.
Yes. Every moment you're upping, right? You want
Yeah.
to breathing compulsory. When you're taking up, you make the foot tight. When you're making down, you want to release. Yes, the breathing.
Okay, one set done. So I have to wait. How much time I have to wait?
Maybe 5 to 2. 5 to 5 minutes you want to take the rest. Then again.
5-minute rest.
Yes.
After
5
one set.
Yes, yes. Because of what happened, compulsory for resting also. Otherwise, make to back the muscle it will happen. So you get the more tiredness. So rest compulsory. Make the one setup, take the rest. Make the one more setup, take the rest. You can complete the 3 setups. The work is completed. You can go to for next workouts.
After one set, 5 minutes I can take.
Yeah, 5 to 3 minutes.
3 to
That's
5
much.
minutes.
So what happened? You want to take the more rest. The muscle is not eating it since not happen. The easy it will go from normal relax mode.
Thank you.
This is called for back.
Back exercise.
Yes. So you can take the back. Yeah, good. Little chest up. When you're making right, you want to hand here. Chest you want to make the hub.
Chest
You
should
want-
be up.
Yes, yes. You want to see it here. The upper portion, back, what is the portions, right? Here you get the more effects.
These muscles.
Yes.
Okay.
This is also same thing, only 15 to 3 countings.
Okay.
Important for your counting wise, that's setups wise.
Okay.
When you make the more workout now, the muscles will loss will come. You want to train to properly, slowly only. See it.
This is for back.
Yeah, this is a back. You can come to here.
What is the
You can see that
exercise
the
name?
format. The format now, the hands one inside one is wrong. You can see the little bit wide it will. This is wrong. It will happen. Little bit also.
Okay.
When you're taking up, right? You want to close it. Come on, take up. Same you want to come. How much possible? Make the back tight. You get the shape sense here.
Chest will be little up.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Good. Thank you, sir.